Hello there friends, welcome to another cooking session. Seasons like this when our body needs more resistance and striving to keep healthy, boiled or simmered dishes are the best choices at most home kitchens. Today, we're gonna cook a Japanese dish called Nimono. Nimono is a famous cooking technique in Japan. It's a simple dish using fish, vegetables, or meat simmered in broth that is primarily used in home-style cooking. Nimono dishes are typically eaten as part of a meal at home, with rice and various side dishes. Nimono dishes can also be packed into a bento for lunch. Sometimes you can find Nimono as well on the menu at the restaurants. To make Nimono, ingredients are simmered slowly in a dashi broth, to which soy sauce, sugar, sake and mirin, or sweetened rice wine, are being added for additional seasoning. The most common ingredients for Nimono are vegetables like onions, carrots, and mushrooms, as well as starchy ingredients like kabocha pumpkin, potatoes, taro root, and white radish called daikon. You can also add meats, mackerel, and salmon. In today's dish, we will use chicken and daikon, or white radish. These are all the ingredients needed. A complete list is also provided at the description box, but I will show you each one in this video as well. First thing we need is chicken, about 300 grams, sliced in cubes. Daikon, 300 grams, sliced in cubes. Ginger, sliced thinly. We need sugar, about 1 teaspoon. Chicken cubes. We need green onion for garnishing. Slice ashom. Japanese cooking sake, 2 tablespoons. Mirin, 2 tablespoons. Soy sauce, about 4 tablespoons. We need some cooking oil for initial frying as well. And lastly, and the most important thing, is water, 2.5 cups. So I'll show you the way how the vegetables and the chicken is being sliced. Okay, so let's start cooking. This is very easy, friends. Just pour out some cooking oil on the pan, spread it, and put the chicken. Stir fry the chicken. And then the daikon. Daikon is a Japanese word for labanos, or white radish. It's the same thing we use in sinigang. Then add the ginger. Then add the water. At this point, we may now add the fermented ingredients like cooking sake, about 2 tablespoons, and the mirin, 2 tablespoons as well. Next is the soy sauce, about 4 tablespoons, or as you desire. Then add the Japanese chicken cube, sugar. Just cover it and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, just take the lid off and leave it open for about 15 to 20 minutes. The final flavor of the dish varies depending on the proportions of the seasoning used and how long the ingredients are braised. Some dishes retain liquid for serving, while others are cooked until the braising liquid has evaporated or have been absorbed into the ingredients, such as the type we are cooking today. Okay, now it's ready to serve. Oops, just a reminder. Don't forget to turn off the stove, or it will dry up and become adobo. Just kidding. Okay, this is now our chicken and Daikon no Nimono. Smells so good, Hontoni. Itadakimasu!